Welcome to the new session. So today we are going to solve exercise 7.2 sixth sum. Right. So here they gave that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle where AB equal to AC. AB and AC, these two sides are equal. And when we produced from AB, so from this point they have produced here where AB and AD are equal. So these two from point A they have produced to the point D where AB and AD are equal, and they have joined that and they have framed a triangle. So here we want to prove that angle BCD is a right angle triangle. So here we want to prove this is 90 degrees. So this is what we want to prove. So here let's go for the proof. In triangle ABC, so here since it is an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC, these two sides are equal. Here what about the angles opposite to that? Angles opposite to that also will be equal. Reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So since AB and AC, these two sides are equal, the angle ABC and angle ACB, these two sides will be, angles will be equal. So angle ABC equal to angle ACB, right? So and one more condition, here already they gave that AB equal to AC. AB and AC they are equal, and AD equal to AB, this is also given. So AD and AB are equal. So from these two things can I conclude that AC will be equal to AD? AC and AD will be equal? No. AC and AD will be equal. Why? Because AB and AC were equal. And one more condition they gave that AB and AD are equal. Since these two are equal and these two are equal, I can conclude that these two will be equal. That is AC and AD will be equal. Right? From the given information we conclude AC equal to AD. Now let's take the triangle ACD. ACD. So here AC and AD are equal. AC is equals to AD. These two sides are equal. What about the angles formed? So here also angle ACD. Right? This one. ACD will be equal to ADC. So these two angles will be equal, no? ACD and ADC, these two angles will be equal. So name that as equation number 2. So now take the total triangle BCD. Total triangle BCD, just check for the angle sum property. Add all the angles. What is angle sum property? That will be equal to 180 degrees. So here angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle BDC is equals to 180 degrees. I have added all the three angles. So here instead of this BDC, I have renamed it as ADC because ABC will be equal to DBC and BDC will be equal to ADC. Based on this, what I am going to do is, instead of this BDC, I have replaced by angle ABC. BCD I am writing as such. Instead of BDC, I am replacing it by ADC, that is equals to 180 degrees. Here, just check from 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2. We can replace these things, no? ABC can be replaced as ACB. BCD will write as such, and once again angle ADC is replaced as ACD. From equation 1 and equation 2 I have just changed here, that will be equal to 180 degrees. From equation 1 and from equation number 2 we have done this. So once again, now check angle BCD. So BCD we will write as such. What is ACB plus ACD? See here, ACB, this part, plus ACD, Altogether when we add these two, what you are getting? It is nothing but BCD only, no? So instead of these two, I will just rename it as angle BCD that is equals to 180 degrees. Now check angle BCD plus angle BCD. These two are like terms, right? Sum of these two. So 2 times of angle BCD is equals to 180 degrees. When I transpose 2 to RHS, so angle BCD is equals to 90 degrees. So therefore BCD is a right angle triangle. Hence we have proved. I'll just give a recap. So see here, it was given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB and AC were equal sides. So from that we concluded that opposite angles also will be equal, and AB and AD were equal. So based on that we compared these two also will be equal. So from AB equal to AC and AD equal to AB, from that I concluded that AC and AD also will be equal. So this is also an isosceles triangle, so angles opposite to that also will be equal. So based on that, angle ADC will be equal to ACD. This is equation number 2. Then after that we took the total triangle. So angles and properties, sum of these 3 angles will be equal to 180 degrees, and based on conditions 1 and 2 we interchange and wrote, and then we concluded the solution. Thank you.